Can you?
Yeah.
I can. Is it recording? Okay, good. We're trying to get this 1982 35 horse Evinrude going. Cold start. We have fire, we have fuel. Plugs are new. I think it is dripping fuel a little bit. If you can look in here, I don't know if we have a crack or a gasket or an elbow, but we're going to try to fire it up here and see what happens. And alright, give her a shot. First time this motor's been going in a lot of years. So we're going to call that successful cold start. I have some fine tuning to do. I've got to check that fuel leak out, and still waiting on my ignition switch, of course, but it's coming. It's coming. I'm not sure what's going on with the, I'll figure it out. Something going on with this elbow right in here is dripping fuel a bit, so I'll have to investigate that and get back to this. But everybody, thanks for your help. So far so good. I'm happy with it. We can even get her going. Didn't do too much to it yet.